In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workplace title in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the name of a workspace so your projects stay organized and easy to find. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Loop. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main homepage. This is the dashboard where all your workspaces are displayed as tiles. If you happen to be deep inside a page or component, return to the home view so you can see the full list of workspaces. Think of this area as your command center. Every project, team space, or initiative you're working on appears here. Next, locate the workspace you want to rename. Each workspace appears as a tile with its current title and icon. If you have a lot of workspaces, take a moment to scan the grid or use the search bar at the top to quickly filter by name. It's worth double checking you're selecting the right space, especially if you manage similar projects with similar names. Now, hover your mouse over the tile for that workspace. When you do, a small three-dot menu icon appears in the corner of the tile. Click that icon to open the workspace options. If you're on a touch device, tap the tile to reveal the options, then tap the three dots. This menu gives you quick access to workspace level actions without opening the workspace first. From the menu, select Rename and Style. This opens a small panel or dialog dedicated to updating how the workspace looks and what it's called. It's designed to be quick and focused so you can make changes without leaving the homepage. Type the new title for your workspace in the name field. Aim for a clear, consistent naming convention. Something like team name, project quarter can make workspaces easy to scan later. While you're here, you can also update the workspace icon to better match the theme or purpose of the space. A recognizable icon helps the tile stand out visually, especially in a long list. When you're happy with the new title and any style tweaks, click the Update button. Your changes save instantly, and the tile on the homepage will refresh with the new title and icon. This change doesn't affect the content inside the workspace or who has access. It simply updates how the workspace is labeled and presented. That's it. You've successfully changed a workspace title in Microsoft Loop. Keep your naming consistent across teams, and you'll always know exactly where to jump in. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.